Today is Sunday, September 7th. Mommy and Caitlin are home from church while Daddy and Nathan are at church right now. Caitlin just finished eating and slept through the night again. What you doing, Caitlin? Are you still hungry? Uh-huh. What's the matter? What's up? What are you picked up? Stretch. Look at your legs. Okay. Time to go. Say goodbye. Say bye-bye. 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 Oh, sleepy again? You slept all morning. Okay, bye-bye.